So, hello everybody. Yes, we'll push this right quick. Yeah. Um, yes, and well, what I want to talk about is what you can do with your editing software. Well, no, I'll just talk about software and the difference between software and hardware. Well, software is what is built in your computer, and hardware is what's you the pieces of the computer. Software pertains more into what you're gonna use in the computer, which is like your downloads and what you do inside the computer. Hardware is mostly what's on the computer, and you probably know the difference between software and hardware. You just hear me talking about software and hardware, like Microsoft. That's mainly, software, but hardware is like your computer, and but difference between software and hardware. What could you use in today's era? What's going to be used in the future of today's era? Yeah. I think it's going to lean towards software because most you have downloadable stuff. You have stored uh, cloud storage. And basically you can store your stuff in like a cloud, basically, without any like hard drives or anything. You don't need we call those things. I forgot the name of them. Hard drive, yeah. You don't need a hard drive, and you gonna mainly need like Google now. Google is actually with their Chrome laptop. They have a Chrome book, and it's a laptop, and it runs only on this downloadable stuff, only on the cloud. Basically, that's what they call it. I think that's what they call it. But yeah, and you can only just load your stuff on there, and when you load it up, you have like the storage that you load up on there is going to be usable, and you don't need it. Doesn't rely on the computer. The computer, it doesn't like hit most of the hardware. Most of the hardware is the software. Yeah. And when you use the software, that's lighter, and you're pretty much using Google's Wi-Fi, I guess, or internet. You're using the internet as storage, so you really won't have to because sometimes if you don't, there's a thing about there's two different things about that. First of all, what if you don't have internet connection? What do? That's another thing why the external hard drives are good, or just basic hard drives. Because if you don't have internet connection, how you gonna use it? How you gonna use like your backups and stuff? So that's another thing. You like, but if it does go to that in the future, you have to work on like no internet. How you can use it without your internet? How can you back up stuff? But back to the point of hardware and software. Hardware is the stuff you put in, like the hard drives and the CPUs and I don't even know what that means, but yeah, I just want to say it. Yeah. But it's the stuff inside the computer, and the software is the stuff that's in the computer. And no, it's not actually in the computer. It's like when you turn the computer on, it's part of the computer. It's apps and icons and all those other stuff. Yeah. Yeah, this is a video about the difference between software and hardware. And if you like this video on more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like me on Facebook. Follow me on Facebook. Yeah, like me on Facebook. Follow me on Twitter. Circle me on Google Plus, and I guess follow me on Instagram. But yes, this is a video about software and hardware. Don't forget to like, thumbs up this video, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for watching.